Hey guys, today we're looking at the split strategy again with addition, and it's just a little bit more complicated. So if we're splitting our numbers up to help us add them, we are partitioning them or breaking them up into their parts. So let's have a look at our number 564. We have 4 of the ones, 6 of the tens, and 5 of the hundreds. Now if we look at our 4 ones in 564, it has a value of 4. Alright, let's check out the 6 in 560. The value of 6 tens is 60. Finally, let's look at the 5 in 564. The value of 5 hundreds is 500. So when we're talking about the parts of the number to split it up into, we're talking about each digit's value. So let's look at the values of the digits in the number 53. 3 of the ones has a value of 3. Now let's look at the digit 5 in the number 53. 5 of the tens has a value of 50. So if we add the ones together from each number, 4 and 3 is 7. And if we add our tens together, 50 and 60 is 110. Now if we have a look at our numbers, 564 has 500, so 500, but 53 has no hundreds, so it's 500 and 0 is 500. Okay, so if you have a look at our numbers that we added together, if you look at the ones, our answer is 7, which is 7 of the ones. If you have a look at our hundreds, our answer is 500, which is 5 of the hundreds. So we're still within our hundreds place in the place value system. If you have a look at our tens, we've added 50 and 60 together, and it's given us the answer 110. So in our number 110, we have 0 of the ones, 1 of the tens, which is in our tens place value place, and we have 1 of the hundreds, which will need to be partitioned so that it can go into our hundreds place. So if you have a look at our number 110, there are 0 ones, so I've left those out. We have 1 of the tens, which is 10, and we have 1 of the hundreds, which is 100. So we need to now add that 100 onto the rest of our hundreds. So 500 and 100 is 600. Okay, now so let's look at our totals. We had 7 ones, 1 of the tens, which is 10, and 600, which is 6 of the hundreds. So if we add all of our totals together, so 600 and 10 and 7, that will give us a total of 617. So now it's your turn to give it a try. Have fun, guys.